Hello guys, what is up? This is Ben with Joseph Gaming Electronics. Today I'll be showing you guys how to repair a motherboard issue on a Versa 3 or FB511. All the tools that you see in this video will be linked down below, and the repair toolkit will also be linked down below, as well as all the parts that you see in this video, like the housing, the screen, the battery, and the motherboard will be linked all down below. The tools that you will need is a Joe's T2. You'll also need a pry tool. You'll need a plastic spudger and the Joe's cold press glue. Some other tools you will need is a clamp, or you could use some rubber bands, and a paper towel just to clean up the extra glue. The Joe's kit will come with some alcohol, and you will also need a heat gun or some type of heat to put around the screen so the screen can come off easier. So let's begin with this repair. So first of all, we're going to grab the heat gun. We're going to start going around the edges just like this. I have the heat gun set at about 190. Once you feel that it is hot, you'll grab your metal pry tool, and then you're going to start prying the screen up. So I usually put it down into there, just pry up. As you can see, the screen came off very easily, and that is how the inside should look. We'll put the metal pry tool away. We shouldn't need it anymore. Next, we'll grab the Joe's T2 screwdriver, and there's these two screws that is getting held on. The shield is getting held on by these two screws right here. We're just going to take those out. The screw is aside for now, and the shield should come out now. We'll just put it that aside. Next, we will grab the plastic spudger and disconnect the screen ribbons and put the screen aside. Then there is two more screws that are holding the motherboard, which are right here. We will unscrew those. Put that aside. There we go. We're going to grab the plastic spudger again and then disconnect the rest of these ribbons, all the main ones. This is the main one, then we have the battery ribbon, and then we have the housing ribbon right here. And then we could just lift the motherboard and battery out of the housing. Put the housing aside for now. Next, we're going to take the battery off, which it's just getting held on by some tape. We'll grab some alcohol, grab the spudger, and with this side, we'll begin to go in a side-to-side motion and downwards motion just like this. And the battery should just come off just like that. So this battery looks to be really bad. Put that aside, just grab a new battery as well. We'll grab our new board and grab our new battery, and then we'll begin by putting the battery in first, just the way that it came out. So it goes in this way. As you can see, that is the main big ribbon. We'll just put that in just like that. Boom, sitting nice and tight. We'll grab our new board, put it in this way. As you can see, there's 5 connections, and they should be facing, 3 of them should be on this side, 2 of them are on top, just like that, where the main ribbon is. Put it in just like that. It should just sit perfectly. Next, we will grab our screen, and then we will connect the screen first, and then we will connect all the rest of the ribbons once we connect the screen's ribbons first. Now we'll connect all the other main ones. Now we'll see if this unit turns on. Filter power up. As you can see, it has powered up. Always make sure that it powers on before you start screwing stuff in. As you can see, this unit is working now. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to begin by putting the shield back on, which goes in this way, just like that. We'll grab these screws, then just put them back into place and then screw them back in. There we go. Then we will screw in 2 motherboard screws.
Hey, this is Joe from the Sauna. If this video brought you value, please support us by buying parts, tools, refurbished electronics, or sending your device in for repair so we can keep offering you free repair tutorials. Back to the video.
There we go. The repair is basically now complete. We'll put all the tools aside. The last thing we'll do is we're just going to clean off all the gunk on here that is remaining on the housing, which we'll just grab Q-tips, grab a little bit of alcohol, and just clean the housing like so. Once you have cleaned the housing, you just throw away all this residue and glue. Next, we're going to grab our Joe's cold press glue, and we're going to begin by putting a decent amount on all the edges right here, just so we get a proper seal. And there we go. Once we've done that, we're gonna kind of align the screen, and then we're just gonna press down, make sure it's aligned properly and sitting in properly. And then we're gonna grab our paper towel and just wipe all the remaining glue that is on the screen / housing. Double check that it is aligned properly, which it is. Once you've cleaned it up a little, you can grab this clamp or rubber band, whatever works best for you guys, and just put it on there or wrap it around there. If you do have a clamp, you want it to be in the middle of the screen just so it gets a good nice seal. And there we have it, guys. That is how you repair a motherboard issue on a Versa 3 / FB511. All the tools that you saw in this video will be linked down below, as well as this repair kit. It is a Versa 3 board repair kit, as well as everything else that you saw in this video will be linked down below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.